Shreya Sethia and today we are going to study civics chapter number 1, hard words. So let's start. First word is apathy. A P A T H Y, apathy. It means lack of interest. Lack of interest. Next is contrast. CONTRAST, contrast. It's a kind of a agreement. Return legal agreement. Next is plight. 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 Plight means problems. Then next is universal adult franchisee. Universal adult franchisee. UNIVERSAL, universal adult. ADULT, adult. Franchisee, FRANCHISE, franchisee. Meaning of this word is all the citizens or all the citizens who are 18 and above have a right, that is a right to vote. They can cast their vote according to their wish, irrespective of caste, gender, creed, religion, right? That is universal adult franchisee. Next is coexist. 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 It means exist together. Two things which exist together is called coexist. Then next is perpetuated. 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 Meaning of this word is something to continue for long time. Something which continues for a long period of time is called perpetuated. Next is scheduled caste. Scheduled caste. SCHEDULED. Scheduled caste. CASTS. Scheduled caste. It means Dalit or lower caste. Okay. Next is liberty. 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 It means state of free from opposition. Liberty means state of free from opposition. It's called liberty. Next is equality. 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 It means being equal. Being equal. Next is fraternity. 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 It means a kind of friendship or mutual support or brotherhood. It's called fraternity. Next is minorities. 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 It means or we can say it's just opposite to majority. Minority means group of people which are less in numbers is called minority, opposite of majority. Dignity. 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 Meaning of this word is self respect or equality of quality of being worthy. Self respect. Okay, that is called dignity. Then next is violated. Violated. VOILATED. Violated. Meaning of this word is to break a rule. It's called violated. Then mental agony. Mental agony. MENTAL. Mental. AGONY. Agony. Meaning of this word is mental suffering. Mental suffering. If you discriminate a person on the basis of their standard or on the basis of their religion, so it may affect them as a mental agony, mental suffering. Okay. Next is initiated. INITIATD. Initiated. Initiated. It means to start something. To start something. Next is democracy. Democracy. Okay, democracy is the system in which government is elected by the people, for the people, and of the people. Okay. Next is untouchability. 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 It is a practice which was done by people, and it is now it is prohibited by the government under some acts and sections. Next is opportunities. 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 Meaning of this word is chance, right? Opportunity means chance. Next is abolition. 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 Meaning of this word is put to an end. Put to an end. Things which are prohibited or which are put to an end is called abolition. Then fateful. 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 Meaning of this word is having far reaching or and often disastrous result. They are called fateful. Having far reachings and often disastrous results. Then next is ancestors. 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 It means forefathers. Fore. Forefathers. Not four. Forefathers. Hindi meaning of ancestor is purvaj. Okay. Next is agitations. 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 Agitation or agitations. A state of anxiety or being nervous, right? That is called agitation.